Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to AppSec's online support program. This is the video tutorial for Mathematics Grade 7. Today we are going to revise something more about the sets which you have already done in OSP round 2. For this purpose we will follow the textbook, that is New Secondary Mathematics Book 2. The page numbers from this book 65 to 66. The chapter number 3, sets. Topic: describing the sets in words and notation forms. Resources required: maths book, notebook, mobile or laptop or computer. Introduction of the lesson are describing a sets in words form and also sets in notation form. But before we moving towards our lesson, we have to go through thought of the day. That is, success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines practiced every day. Hope you understand this quote. Now, the objectives of today's lesson. We will learn about the sets. We will also learn about the types of sets and set notations forms. The recap of today's lesson are: what are the number systems? Well-defined and distinct objects. What is it? This is the comprehensive definition of sets. How to write the sets in words form. Also, how to write sets in notation form. Describing the sets. Describing a set in words. For example, S is the set of all positive even integers less than 10. Listing the elements in a set in set notation. For example, here it is: S is equal to 2, 4, 6 and 8. And this curly bracket is mandatory for the set notation form. Right, students? Now, describing the elements in a set in set notation form. For example, S is equal to X such that, this is the format, X such that X is a positive even integers less than 10. Right, students? Hope you got my point. Next, this is the practice now 1, which is present in page number 66. It is given that the set C, X such that X is a positive integer between 10 and 18, and D is the another set, that is X such that X is a positive integer such that X is greater than and equal to 10 and also X is less than 18. In part 1, list all the elements in C and D in set notation form. So in solution 1, here it is: C 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17 under the curly bracket. This is the sets format. So it is clearly mentioned in the question the integers between 10 and 18. 10 and 18 is not included. Between the numbers are included in the set C. Now the question part 2. Do C and D contain the same elements? If not, explain why. So in solution 2, no, 10 belongs to D but 10 is not belongs to C. Right, students? Now this is the practice now 2, which is also present in page number 66. The question is: state whether each of the following collections is a well-defined set. Give a reason for your answer. Part A: a movie well liked by my classmates. The answer is no. A movie may be well liked by some but not others. The question part B: a movie aired old people in my class. Yes, it is clear which pupils are 14 years old. The part C: an English teacher in my school The answer is yes. It is clear whether someone is an English teacher in the school. So this is the practice now 2. So we have done the practice now 1 and the practice now 2, which both are present in page number 66. So you have to follow this question from your book. Now this is the time for home task. That is, do question number 3, 5, 10, 11, 16 and 9 from exercise 3A. In last, the important instructions. Stay at home and stay safe. These work and home tasks should be done on fair notebook. Work must be neat and tidy with proper date and page number. Use black and blue gel pen. Draw proper and straight margin line with pencil. Make an arrow line after every question. Thank you very much.